Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at Aurora Rising, an oracle for lightworkers, wayshowers, and dreamers of the new dawn by Katrina Smith. This is published by Blue Angel, but it was sent to me from Llewellyn, so thank you so much to Llewellyn. And it retails for $28.95 in the US, and everywhere that you can legitimately purchase this will be, of course, linked in the description box below. Alright, let's get into it. An incredible spiritual awakening is in full motion on Earth. As a vessel of the divine, you are here to radiate your most brilliant light. Surround yourself in an aura of ethereal beauty with Aurora Rising, where each card is a luminous invitation to align the depths of your soul with a higher consciousness. Lovingly crafted with visionary imagery and expansive messages, this deck supports your transformative journey of empowerment and self-discovery. Whether you're seeking guidance, activation, or a deeper understanding of the ebbs and flows of your spiritual path and purpose, this deck is your portal to navigating the mysteries of existence, illuminating your way toward the infinite possibilities of the horizon. 44 cards and a guidebook. All right. Welcome home, lightworkers, wayshowers, and all those who wish to amplify their aurora light. A luminous awakening is dawning across Earth. Okay, and let's take a peek at the guidebook first. Oh wow, nice table of contents. All right. Welcome to the Aurora Rising Oracle, the realms, visual codes, working with the Oracle, and then we have card spreads, and each of the cards look like they have their own page number, so that is fantastic. The Aurora Rising Oracle supports your journey of empowerment and self-discovery. It's an open gateway to your higher knowing and all the answers that are already within you. This deck is an extension of your light, reflecting and reminding you who you truly are, a sounding board to bounce off of and gain instant clarity on your path. It is a means to cultivate a depth of intimacy with your soul. As you continue to work with the deck, you strengthen your relationship with the wisdom within. Synergy is born between your heart, mind, body, and spirit, unlocking access to infinite possibilities. Okay. This deck holds 44 powerful visions, each crafted with layered intention, inspired by the unseen realms to which we are all intrinsically connected. Each card is a visual activation intended to be an energetic transmission in and of itself. Throughout the creation journey, I have called upon only the purest frequency imagery, photographs infused with textures, elements, and tones of the natural world, water, light, and plasma, the fluid medium of the realms of creation. The works reflect a deep commitment to the organic substance and the divine essence of who we truly are. Remember, you are the source, and the source is within you. There is nothing to seek outside of yourself. All ancient wisdom lives within you. It is the field of consciousness with all of the answers to your questions. You have a 1-card spread, a 2-card spread, 3-card, and then it goes into the messages. Okay, let's get into this. I am very intrigued. It's a little bit on the smaller size for an oracle, but I don't mind that at all. Here's the back. It's a matte. Nice cardstock. It's more towards the medium thickness than thin. Very flexible, but it is snapping back. I think it's going to shuffle really well. Okay, I will be reading the title and what is on the card because sometimes it doesn't show up well on the screen. It's hard to read. So we have the ether with transparency, clarity, and clear communication. Age of Aquarius, abundance, soul prosperity, divine flow. Ancestral lines, breaking generational patterns, legacy of light. Ancient Mu, soul wisdom, parallel lives, guidance within. Love the dolphins. Ankh, Master Keys, Soul Blueprint, Unlocking the New. Aurora Rising, The New Era, Grid Keepers, Shared Light. Aurora Rose, try saying that 5 times fast. Purity, intimacy, and devotion. Cosmic Clock, divine timing, patience, the timeless mystery. Crystal Skull, knowledge, insight, cosmic awakening. Dark Matter, divine feminine rising, the fertile domains. Dark Night of the Soul, initiation, timeline collapse, growing pains. Disclosure, awareness, revelation, shadows surfacing. Divine Neutrality, forgiveness, releasing burdens, holding your center. Divine Union, inner harmony, balance, healing the split. Earth Seed, guardianship, elemental support, embodiment. Emerging, rising, transforming out of the comfort zone. Firewater, alchemy, transmutation, back to the dust. Galactic Mirror, reflections, impressions, blind spots. Genesis, intentions, seeds of creation, fertile mind. Gnosis, remembrance, cellular knowing, intuitive pull. Grandmother Weaver, bridging realms, fresh horizons, threads of light. Harmony of the Spheres, shifting orbit, co-creation, unite with your community. Heart Lotus, rising from the depths, leadership, pioneering the way. Holy Sophia, self-nurturance, the journey within, and self-love. Inner Sanctum, rejuvenation, safe sanctuary, time to receive. Lifting the Veil, clear vision, illumination, higher mind. Liquid Light, adaptability, flexibility, flow. Luminous Waters, purification, the deep freeze is melting. Miracle Creation, holding the vision, birthing the new. Oceanic Guardians, spirit guardians, rites of passage. Okay, I'm going to butcher this. Ophiuchus, soul retrieval, calling in support. Ouroboros, self-sufficiency, eternal cycles, death and rebirth. Pearl of Light, inner child, innocence, presence in the now. Shielding, protection, boundaries, sovereign space. Stargate, portal to the divine, standing at the threshold. Starseed, ancient origins, soul mission, higher purpose. Temple of Light, silver lining, second chances, the blank slate. The Deep Descent, subconscious, underworld, excavating the old. The Eye of the Storm, peace, centeredness amidst great change. The Great Attractors, magnetism, manifestation power, the cosmic pool. The Holy Grail, sacred lineage, sisterhood, priestess lines. The Visionary, the future is here beyond the veil. Timeline jump, course correction, a new trajectory is unfolding. And Tree of Life, stabilize your roots, honor the seasons. Interesting. Woo. I like how it shuffles. It seems to be very similar, or reminds me of the Danielle Noel decks. Whoop. We'll read for that one. Overhand works just fine. Okay, so we're going to read for the Ether, transparency, clarity, clear communication. All right, so it has a picture of the card and the words on the card are depicted. Awesome. You are on a journey of authenticity. You are discovering your innermost truth and sharing it with the world. Your voice is a blessing, and it is time to be raw, open, and honest with yourself and others. This card is confirmation that your sacred voice is activating, broadcasting the sound of your soul. No longer are you interested in persuasion or conforming to popular opinion. You are unique and you see things differently. It is time for your spirit to shine, to be witnessed in all its glory. This may shake things up in relationships, family, or work situations, but this is part of building inner trust with yourself. Perhaps in the past, your feelings and opinions were not prioritized. Perhaps you adapted your inner truth to fit in. Yet pleasing others to avoid ruffling feathers no longer feels like a path you can sustain. Self-love is now at the forefront of your life. Honest, clear communication assists all involved, bringing light to spaces of disharmony and misunderstanding. Authenticity clears the filters that keep us bound in a spell, diminishing our sense of freedom and connection with others. You are now being called to unleash your divine voice, to speak your truth, even if your voice quivers. Allow the trembles to be felt with deep compassion for your sensitive soul. In doing so, blockages and stagnant energy can begin to shift. Take a breath and speak from the heart. You've got this. Okay. I like how in-depth the guidebook is. I like that it gives you kind of keywords on the card as well to help you if you're not clear with any of the ideas in here. I think it is a beautiful deck. I love the kind of galactic and watery imagery. I think it is beautiful in that sense. It has a lot of different age groups. It has diversity in here. I think this is something that I would have to dive a little bit deeper into. I was a little turned off by like some of the cards because I think those can be a little bit problematic, but in the grand scheme of the whole deck, I think it was beautifully done. So other than that, I think I'm going to really take time to dive into it and learn a little bit more about it. I think this is the first deck that I have seen of Katrina Smith, so I'm definitely going to see how I feel about it after moving through it, but it's beautiful. I think I would love more of more vibrancy. I feel like sometimes this art style is a little blurry, it's a little faded. Same thing with some of Danielle Noel's decks too, if you know what I'm talking about. But it might be that kind of subversiveness that helps your intuition. So, you know, it's definitely one of those things that it is a preference of others, right? So I think it's great quality. I really like how much you get in the guidebook. I like that each one has its own page number in the table of contents. So I'm excited to get to know it a little bit better. Now, I would love to know what you guys think about this. Is this the first time seeing this, hearing about it? Do you know of Katrina Smith? What are your thoughts? Is this something that you're excited about? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a water emoji to let me know you have. Thank you so much to Llewellyn for sending this my way. I am so appreciative of Llewellyn and you all for hanging out with me today. Thank you so much. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.